Today, I'll show you how to compare Google search trends so you can quickly see which topics, brands, or ideas are getting more attention over time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to use Google Trends to compare multiple search terms side by side and get meaningful insights from the data. First, open your browser and go to trends.google.com. This is the official Google Trends homepage, and you can use it completely free. You don't need an account to follow along, although being signed into a Google account can help you save or revisit searches later. Once the page loads, you'll see an overview of trending topics and a search bar near the top. From here, look for the section called Trending Now. Go ahead and click Trending Now. This area shows you what people are searching for most at the moment, often tied to news, events, or viral topics. Browsing this section is a great way to get a feel for what's currently popular, and it also gives you ideas for terms you might want to compare. You can click into any of the items shown to see more detail about that specific trend, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on running your own comparison. Next, let's search for your first keyword. At the top of the page, find the search bar and type in a term you're interested in. This could be a product name, a topic, a public figure, or anything else people might search for on Google. After you enter your keyword, press Enter. Google Trends will load an Explore view, showing a chart of interest over time for that term, usually defaulting to your country and the last 12 months. If you're not automatically taken there, look for and click the Explore option. The Explore page is where you'll do almost all of your analysis. Here you can change filters like location, time range, category, and type of search, such as web search, image search, or YouTube search. Take a moment to glance at these filters because using the right region and time frame will make your comparisons much more accurate. For example, if you're comparing seasonal topics, you might want to look at the past 5 years instead of just the last 12 months. Now it's time to add another term so you can actually compare. Near the top of the Explore page, you'll see your first search term, and next to it, a plus icon that says something like Add Search Term. Click that plus icon. This is where you can stack multiple terms on the same chart, which is the core of comparing search trends. After clicking the plus icon, a new field will appear. Type in your second search term and press Enter. As soon as you do, the graph will update to show both terms, each in a different color. You can repeat this process to add more terms, up to the limit allowed by Google Trends, and watch how their popularity rises and falls relative to each other over time. Once your terms are added, you can refine your comparison by adjusting the region, time period, and search type at the top. As you change these filters, the chart and related queries will update, giving you a deeper understanding of how people are searching. That's all you need to compare Google search trends. Go to trends.google.com, explore what's trending, search a keyword, then use the plus icon to add more search terms and view them together on the same chart.